Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. If I put number 0 gone here, you got about f of number 0. If I put number 0 in here, you got about 0. F of number 0 minus f of number 0, you got about 0. So we have about 0 over 0. So we can use about L hospital in here. So because this is the value, so I will put another way. So we need to do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So if I do first derivative for f of number 0, this is about the number, so you got about 0. Now, if I do first derivative of this one, you will have first derivative f of sin x plus 2x. Inside the function, we still have sin x plus 2x. We continue do first derivative of sin x plus 2x. This one you got about number 1. Now, we simplify. First derivative of sin x, you got about cosine x. First derivative of x, you got about number 1. So we just have number 2 in here. We know that the value of the limit is about 1 over 4 after we put s approach to number 0 gone here and here. Now, this one you got about 0. Cosine of number 0, you got about number 1. And 1 plus 2 is about 3. Now, the question they want to find the value of this one. So we need to divide both sides by number 3. And you got about 1 over 12. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.